Hi there, this is Parth and welcome to new video guys. I have this Potronics RuffPad 8.5e with me, and in this video we are going to review this and how was my experience with this one over the last few days, that we will discuss in this video. And lastly we will discuss also that is it the really the replacement of the conventional slate that we was used to have in our childhood or not. So let's just start this. This is the box guys, in which this RuffPad came, and if you can see there are the features that they have written: the easy electronic writing, single tap erase, and long battery life. This one actually is having round type batteries, so it's not in something rechargeable batteries or anything like that, but it comes with the 1 year warranty, as you can see in the box. And it is having a 21.5 centimeter writing area, so it's indeed a very large area. If you see this, let me just erase it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the whole area for the writing the pad. So it's actually a nice thing, and this is the button that they have given to erase. And there is on the back side, if you can see, there is a single toggle switch. And with the help of this, what happens is, let's say you are placing this in right direction like this. So whenever you will write anything, and if you erase it, if you press the erase button, then it will not erase anything. So this is for the kind of a lock, you can say, to use it so that you can not accidentally erase anything. And let me just erase it by placing this is the unlock button, and if you just press it now, let's write it, and it's just erased it. So build quality wise, it's good enough guys. It's just cost around 800 rupees, so nothing to expect much. It's made of a plastic, but it does not feel very cheap. That's actually a nice thing. And also now it's very, what you say, lightweight. It does not feel like if you compare it with the conventional slate, which was we used to use earlier in our childhood, then it is indeed very lightweight as compared to the conventional slate. So that's actually a nice thing. And this pen here sits like this one, and it just fits. And if you can see guys, this is the lower bottom part of the RuffPad. It's left hand side, and in which you can put this cell. It is a user replaceable cell, so no recharge and anything. You don't have to recharge this via any adapter or anything. This is just a non-rechargeable battery. Now, as we have got the overview regarding this, now let's talk about how was my experience with this one, and is this really that useful that the hype is created. First of all, let's talk about the things which I have personally liked about this, and the first one is the price. It's just cost around 800 rupees. Yes, there are different variants of this RuffPad made by Potronics. So with the size it will vary. There are smaller than this and bigger than this also, but I feel this is for the ideal for the small kids which are just started to go to the school, so they can do the small things here, small paintings and the small wording, etc. Now if we talk about build quality and stuff, then if we compare it with the price, then yes, it is not something spectacular and it is nothing extraordinary, but still the build quality is good enough. It doesn't feel that cheap, as I have told you in my overview. And also the quality of the pen that they are providing with this just 800 rupees is also nice. Yes, it could have been a round shape, it would be much more comfortable, but it's still from the far end it looks like a proper pen. So for the kids it will be a very convenient. And this RuffPad also comes with the 1 year warranty, so in case anything happens to this, you can always claim a warranty of this one. Now let's talk about the things that which I don't like that much in this RuffPad. And first of all is the quality of that screen in which you can write anything. Don't get me wrong, this is not a bad screen. First of all, it just costs around 800 rupees, so don't what you say expect that much from the budget RuffPad. But still, if you use in the very harsh sunlight or in outdoors, then the problem starts, because the pen from which you can write anything is simply doesn't, it's a very hard to look into whenever you will use into the harsh sunlight. So that's actually one of the things. And the second one, if we talk about, then they have given this what you say erase button with this one. That's actually a good thing with the lock, that if you just lock this feature, then so you cannot erase anything accidentally. But I wish problem with this lock is that if you just unlock this button and erase it, press the erase button, then it will just erase each and everything. For an example, let me just pull this out. For an example, I have written this two lines path, and that's one symbol. Then if we just if I just press the erase button, then it will be erasing all the things, all the contents on this display. It will not erase some part of the content or the last content that you have drawn. For an example, Control plus Z undo button like this. So if they have provided this kind of any arrangement, then it will be much more functional and much more useful than this one. So this was the overview regarding this Potronics RuffPad 8.5, and if I summarize it in the one sentence, then it is a good conventional slate replacement for your children, specifically if they are just started to going school right now. So that you can provide this to them. And also the biggest positive about this RuffPad is it is very affordable, very lightweight, and there is no any kind of ink and anything involved. So your child is pretty much safe with any kind of a toxic ink or etc. So guys, that's all from this video. I hope you have liked this review, and if you have liked this, then share and subscribe to this channel. Till then, goodbye, take care. I hope to see you in my next video.